Hey there, cake enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that brings joy to our taste buds and happiness to our hearts. Cakes. Imagine a world where every day is a celebration. Cakes offer us a chance to indulge in a visual and culinary masterpiece, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. The first bite of a cake. It's like a slice of heaven melting in your mouth. The softness, the flavors, the perfect balance of sweetness, it's pure bliss. Cakes have this incredible power to bring people together. From birthdays to weddings, or just a weekend get-together, sharing a cake creates moments of connection and joy. Craving a pick-me-up? Cakes contain serotonin-boosting ingredients that can actually lift your mood. So, having your cake and feeling good too? Totally possible. Baking and decorating cakes is an art form. It's a way to express creativity, turning a plain canvas of batter into a masterpiece that reflects your unique style. Think back to your childhood. The aroma of freshly baked cakes wafting through the air. The excitement of blowing out candles. Cakes are nostalgic treats that carry memories with every slice. Cakes are chameleons. They can fit into any occasion. From extravagant weddings to cozy evenings by the fire, there's a cake that's just right for every moment. So, whether you're a chocolate lover, a fruit fanatic, or a frosting connoisseur, there's a cake out there waiting to make your day extra special. Remember, embracing the benefits of cakes isn't just about the taste. It's about savoring life's sweetness in every bite. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delectable explorations. Until next time, stay sweet.